In order to find and manage vibration settings on Motorola Edge 7 Diffusion, first of all we need to open Settings. Now in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Sound and Vibration. After that we can scroll down until we find the Vibration section, where we can, generally speaking, enable or disable all vibration and haptics. You can also adjust vibration for specific things, like for ringtones. You can also find a couple of additional vibration options for ringtones. We also have the notification vibration and alarm vibration. There is also the touch feedback and media vibration in here below. Besides that, we can also always show the icon when we are using the vibrate mode, which is going to be displayed here at the top. Of course, only if the vibrate mode is actually activated. And that is pretty much all settings that are related to vibration on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.